Alright everyone, this is a video about how to dismantle a contour ROM. I haven't seen any videos like this anywhere on YouTube, so I'm making one right now. And it's fairly easy to dismantle, and it shouldn't take long really. I'm just gonna have to point out a couple things that you cannot do while dismantling, so I'm gonna make sure, okay, this is the right way, bad way, whatever. I'll just make sure to correct everything as I go. So here it is. First thing would be to start by removing all the outside screws, such as the side screws near the hatch. So let's start by doing this. There's a screw under the lens, make sure to remove that. Okay, now you want to open the hatch. There's a couple screws right over here. You're gonna need to remove all of them. There's a couple screws right here, but you can leave them for now. We won't need to remove these. So okay, they're all off. Right here. Okay, now that every screw right here is removed, you're going to want to go under. There are 2 screws under the camera, so make sure to remove those. The second one now. Okay, now very carefully you're gonna want to pry on the side. Hold on, my bad. Okay, first thing, now that you've removed the screw under the lens, you can start turning the lens and remove the cap. Once the cap is removed, you can simply slide the outer ring, well, this. You can simply remove that. The slider, you can simply just take it out. Basically it's being held by this, so there's no screws required to remove that. Okay, this cap right here, I don't know if you can see it, but you can actually see a red seal on this cap. So this is basically a seal this is basically a cap that covers all the electronic components inside the camera. So if you ever drop the camera in the water, I do know the contour ROM is waterproof up to 30 feet, I believe. So this is what's protecting all the electronics. So you're gonna want to remove all the 6 screws here, right here. So after that, you'll want to remove the plastic that's located under the camera. So I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, so all you gotta do is pull this and the top removes. You gotta be careful though, because when you remove the wire, you don't want to be careful. You don't want to wreck the wire. So, and it's easy to put it back on. There's a blue strip right here. When you want to put it back in, you just push it in, and it should be able to slide back in. Only thing left is to unscrew this one right here, and the other one that's kind of screwed on with the body, the plastic body. Once you remove those two, the board should be able to slide out. Another thing, since we've removed the 2 bottom screws, you can just peel the plastic end right here. And now you gotta be careful, because this here is a seal that prevents water from entering. Same thing here. You don't want to pierce those seals because water might be able to go in. Oh, I forgot. There's one last screw. Once you've removed this screw right here, the board should be able to slide out, because I think it holds to the plastic body at the bottom end right here. So that's pretty much it. Other than that, if you want to remove the camera lens, you're gonna have to remove this plastic ring, this white ring right here, where you'll be able to remove the lens. So this pretty much concludes the video.